So thank you everybody for joining us today. Today we have a beautiful and amazing discussion on go-to-market strategy. And we're very happy to have Natalie and Anastasia here joining us today. They are founders of GoGlobal, an absolutely amazing company that takes on the US and the the European market. So scaling your business across borders comes with unique challenges, from understanding differences and navigating local regulations to adapting your sales and marketing strategies. So this is where GoGlobal comes in. So GoGlobal specializes in helping tech companies like yours break into the EU and US market with confidence. So whether you're launching in Berlin or Boston, they can help you craft and execute go-to-market strategies, manage your sales and marketing with efficiency and precision, decode the local market dynamics, and leverage the power of generative AI. So if you're ready to expand, you're definitely in the right place. So today we're going to make it super practical. Thank you, ladies, for joining us, first of all.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting, and thank you for making it happen. We hope for our audience it's going to be super interesting and practical as well. Yeah.
So as you know, with GAI, we are all about offering accessible AI education to women around the world. And yeah, we're really excited for this presentation. So without further ado, I'll let the ladies present their content for today.
So yeah, let me share the screen. Hope it works. Okay, so we will start here. Yeah, that's a little bit about us, and a little bit about who is on the stage. It's me and Anastasia. Just a few words about us. We are marketing professionals originally. Nastya, she's been a digital marketing leader in the field with over 15 years. And her key professional directions she's focused on is around inbound and content creation, personal brands building, and nowadays AI for productivity, as she's always teaching, and she has courses where she practices and helps businesses build better operations and deliver faster with the power of AI. And a little bit about me. I'm been in marketing a bit less than Nastya, and also focused on business development and building networking around the globe, building sales approaches, and I'm mostly focused on international market expansion. And today we're going to talk about go-to-market strategy and how to build it, why we should have to build it first, and how AI tools will help us to advance in this task.
But Natalie, I can't see your presentation. You should share it, yes.
If you can share the screen, please.
Yes.
I still debug. Yeah.
Entire screen and yeah.
So there are our slides, and probably you may have the opportunity to revise it later, to check over certain interesting links and QR codes we have. Yeah, and if you go further and further.
Anastasia, would you mind presenting as well?
Presenting? It's...
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Lovely. Thank you, ladies.
Yes, sorry. And the next slide also. the thing I want to mention here is
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Yeah, finally my computer allowed me to share the screen, sorry. Okay, why go-to-market strategy usually fails? We've been in marketing for many years, and later we've started building business, and we started with consultancy also, and we've seen that like majority of aspects related to go-to-market and to product market fit. So majority of reasons are about poor go-to-market strategy. No clear ICP, weak product messaging, issues with acquisition channels later, and still companies are trying to find channels that will be scalable for them as well. So it's still all about building strategy and about foundations of this strategy. If we go to the next slide, yeah, we can see that go-to-market, it has its strategic components, which we have to consider at the beginning. We have to review and plan and interview our target audience to be sure it's not created in our brain. It's not something we've just decided to consider to have. Yes, we've interviewed. We know their pains. We know what messaging will be relevant to their pains, and we can build our product based on that. So it's super important not to neglect go-to-market strategy foundations and estimate each of the components. So to whom we are selling, like what is our value proposition, what's price, what's our sales and marketing strategy, which channels do we use, so which ratio of those channels. Do we sell direct? Do we sell through partners? Do we have some mix of models? So everything we have to consider while at the very beginning, and then later we can go, for sure we can go and start optimizing within different AI tools, within different acquisition channels, because then marketing is just a part of this strategy, and it's just a part of overall product and market fit we need to estimate. So I believe we all have like we are starting our businesses and you faced certain issues over there, but I just recommend before going and testing and playing with tools, we need to plan our foundations. Or either it's not working in your case, you made some mistakes on the foundation stage, right? Then we have to rework, because still the tool will help us just test and fail faster, but it's not gonna substitute our strategy. Yeah, and if we think over choosing the type of growth later, right? Like for our product, what's it gonna be for us? Is it the growth oriented on product? Like when product drives sales, and it's oriented on driving customer acquisition and retention, and the product sells itself, right? So it's a good product with a good model that is your engine. or it's going to be a sales-led strategy when you have a sales team focused on lead generation, focused on closing deals, focused on retention, repeatable sales. So is it going to be your strategy? It doesn't mean it can't be mixed, but we need to put our focus where we put resources. Either we invest in a product team or sales and marketing team. Yeah, we can also build mostly a marketing-led growth strategy, which will be oriented on acquisition channels, on different like branding, advertising, and product promotion aspects. So we can build a rational mix for us, but still, at the beginning, it's good to know your growth strategy type. And if we go to basics and foundations of marketing theory, there is a matrix of answer which shows us like which strategy we should use. So either we are focusing on market development, like opening and entering new markets, or we might be focused on development of our product, right? Or we just have existing product, existing market, and we will go narrow into this market with this product. We will become a leader here, and we will take this strategy for market penetration. So we still have to go back a little bit to basics and think strategically what is our goal is, how it matches with our company, with our resources today or in the future. So what could be our strategy for certain period of time, let's say. Whether you have a product, we need to bring it to the market as fast as possible. And from product hypothesis to testing it, to finding your minimal viable product, to finding target audience who would be interested in and also will be paying money for that. So for you to for your product, right, will be your early user, payable user, right? And it's how you can test, then analyze and learn from your first customers, from your first users, and improve that cycle. And if some components are not working in your strategy, so you will face difficulties here with testing your MVP. And to craft MVP, usually, especially now, we have so many AI tools. And to craft MVP, we usually don't need even many developers. And now it's not how it was before. So we still can start. Sometimes we can start from Excel spreadsheets or Notion or Airtable or other tools where we can build MVP and test on the market rather than building Copilot or another full-scale tool and then realizing that we don't have a product market fit at all. So just better to focus more on testing and getting first clients testimonials and reviews, having first early users rather than building ideal product. So fail fast should be our motto. And AI tools, as I mentioned, They just can help us to test product market fit faster. And there are, on these slides, there are different tools, depends on the stage where you are and what you need to do. And also you can Google for tools that you really need and find suitable for you. And probably I will not stop more here. Because later on we will be having a session where Nastya will share her favorite tools due to market research and other aspects. So to wrap up my part, if we are planning to go to market, we need to start with foundations, with market analysis, with ICP definitions. We need to think why we are different, why customer should choose us, what's unique selling proposal do we offer. Also, it has to be relevant to our pricing and to our business model. Because it can be super beneficial for your customers, but not that beneficial for you, for example, or vice versa. So here should be a rational mix and your proven experience. So later on, you can define with the positioning. You can start preparing your marketing and sales. You can launch your first communications. So, like for example, you can choose outbound marketing channel, right? You can start working with LinkedIn connections, start proposing demo of your product, or I know, thinking over activities that can activate your target audience. But that is just about tactics and about delivery through your communication engine. So do that before the launch. You can also think over product hunt or similar marketplaces to test your idea, to get responses on is it referencing to your audience, is it useful, and then have an official launch. And then there is never ending job in rework, in improving, in scaling any channels you've tried or haven't tried before. So this is like very basics on how it usually looks. And we can give a word to Nastya to share her tools and experience with more with AI.
Yeah. Can I start? Yes.
Yes, you're good to go.
Super. Finally, it's my turn. Yeah. Today, hi guys. I'll be focusing more on tools, AI tools, but what you need to understand that AI tool is not a magic pill. Yes, it's just a tool. And as Natalie said, first of all, we are building foundation, and then after that, we can scale our processes with AI for different tasks. What does it mean to use AI in go-to-market research, strategy, and so on? We can divide this big part on smaller, for example, AI for market analysis, automation, yes, some trend detection, competitor insights, and so on. AI for customer segmentation, just to cluster your customers and to know them better. AI for predictive analysis to forecast demand or optimize some targeting and so on. And AI tools for sentiment analysis and real-time feedback. So we will work with this 4 direction right now, and I will show you some tools that I use, or maybe some enterprise level tools. I will mention them, but we will focus on smaller ones, yes, for small business, for freelancers, tools for freelancers, and so on. And what you need to understand, there is no there are a lot of tools, and you can't use all of them. You should choose your perfect tool and exercise with it. Yes, tools are changing, new features, new pricing. Some tools can disappear, so it's very hard to say that you should use this one tool and that is all. Yes, no, we explore, we test, we adapt, but today I will show you tools that are my favorite, yes, one, and I'm using them in my everyday routine. So first part is automated market analysis. AI can scan news, reports, social media, competitor sites, and it can find some trends, shows how trends are changing. AI can help with summary and delete all the noise, yes, that can play bad games with your attention, for example. And here on the screen, you can find main tools, enterprise level tools that can be used for this market analysis. For example, Julius AI, my favorite, and it's suitable not only for enterprises. Yes, it's suitable also for SMBs and just freelancers and so on. What you can do, you with Julius, for example, you can analyze big amount of data. AI is good in analyzing big amounts of data, yes, and it can see patterns, and you can ask questions. You can upload your document, your data, your data from CRM, from reports, from researches, and so on, so on, so on, and ask questions related to this data. For example, what trends are rising right now, or something like that. So, but we are here not to talk about smaller tools for SMBs and freelancers. And one of my favorite features of LLMs, large language models, like ChatGPT, Copilot, Llama, Gemini from Google, yes. It's deep research. Deep research is perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone who needs fast, deep market analysis. Yes, you can dive deeper what your competitors are doing, how your industry is shifting. You can even some researches of new industry or new topic, and so on. So how do deep research how it works? Yes, first of all, you should start with questions. What's changing in the market? What is gaining attention, and why? Yes, so something like questions for deep research. And I have one example of this is my real life task that I put to Gemini Deep Research. The task was I need 20 Sweden health tech companies, especially SaaS. We should check that these companies they have some digital solution, app, platform, tool, and I need C-level people from that company, CTO, SEO, CEO, and so on. And I asked Gemini Deep Research with this simple prompt. The next step was Gemini prepared some plan, action plan for me, yes, for review, yes. And here was first first step, identify some health tech companies. Second, filter these companies to ensure they primary of a digital solution like SaaS platforms, tools, and so on. And you see, this plan was about 6 points, and I need to review this plan. And in case something is wrong in this process, I can edit this plan and then start research. And after 20 minutes, Gemini shows me this results, yes, and they are perfect, yes, for me, because here is a table with all the companies, with primary digital solution description, with C-level here, and location, yes, from Stockholm, Malmo, and so on, because I need Sweden health tech companies. Also, it provides some summary, landscape, health tech landscape overview, and here short description of each company that I mentioned in my table. So 20 minutes, and I have a small research of the industry with deep research functions. It's very fast, yes. Manually, it can take much longer. There are different deep researches in different LLMs. For example, if we are talking about ChatGPT deep research, it is best for deep text analysis, documents, literature, creative writing, and so on. If we are talking about Google Gemini, it's best for up-to-date news, trends, events, fact-checking, and so on. Perplexity, it's real-time answers and fast fact-checking for your idea, tools, I don't know. So depends on your task, depends on your needs. You just choose the best deep research tool and use it for your goals. The next step is AI for collecting and structuring data from open sources, and a lot of tools. We are I think here a lot of marketers, and we are using Google Trends, SEMrush, Ahrefs, and so on, so on, so on. But when we're trying to research some topic with, for example, Ahrefs, we get a lot of data. Huge tables, huge amount of information it is the main task is to analyze it and make some conclusions from it. Yes, and AI can help us with summarizing. For example, example of prompt you can see here. What are the key trends and popular topics in some niche based on data from Ahrefs and Google Trends? So what we are doing, we collect information from Ahrefs, from Google Trends, in PDF, in Google Sheets, and so on, and upload it to ChatGPT, to Gemini, whatever. Yes, and try and ask this AI tool to summarize, to show key trends, to show what is rising right now, and what are the main popular keywords in this segment, and so on, so on, so on. It just helps us to see a clear, big picture of the industry or of this topic, and so on. So it's better for analyzing the industry, because it can see patterns, and sometimes people can do it just because of rushing or something like that. And the next tool for market research, not tool, yes, it's custom GPTs. It's trained AI models that are trained for specific task. Yes, where you can find this ChatGPT, custom ChatGPT. They are all here in GPT's marketplace. You can find them here, and just search. Use search, for example, market research. Oh, sorry. 1 moment. And here, just enter market research, and here you can find a list of different GPTs that you can use for market research. When you're trying to choose the perfect GPT for your task, just pay attention on these two things: rating, yes, and number of conversation. Because if rating is 5 and number of conversation is just 3 or 4, it's and I recommend you to skip this custom GPT. Yeah, but here on the screen, you can just scan QR code, because here the best, as for me, yes, for my opinion, the best custom GPTs for market research, you can scan and check them later. Okay, so customer segments. The next part of our presentation is about customer segmentation. So instead of guessing who is your customer, who are your customers, AI finds patterns, as I said before, and it groups people by real behavior, not just age or location. Again, here you can find some tools for customer segmentation, and they are just nice, but maybe some enterprise level, or the price may be high. But still, we can work with different AI tools cheaper, and they will provide us with not worst result. Yeah, for example, Rose, it's spreadsheet editor with built-in AI for customer segmentation, and I want to show you right now it. For example, I need to open it one more time. Yes, it's like a pro tool to work with your CSV files, yes, some kind of them. And here in the right corner, you can find AI analysis. It's agent, yes, and here just 2 questions. Yes, generate suggestions and explore AI analysis features. And if we will explore features, here the main feature is answer questions, get summaries, key metrics, some simulation, what if analysis. So you upload your CSV file with your audience, yes, and then you ask question about this audience. You just ask AI to divide it to segments, or by location, or just maybe AI will suggest you some how to divide this audience by what kind of segments, and so on, so on, so on. Just talk to this AI analysis, and it will help you to segment your auditory. Okay, let's move. I'm trying to be fast as fast as I can. So the next step, the next not tool, it's a prompt for ChatGPT, maybe for Gemini or Claude, as you wish. Yes, just in case you have reviews, a lot of reviews on Trustpilot or Clutch or something, or other review site, you can gather all these reviews, and in PDF, for example, and enter this prompt in a table format, analyze and these reviews, and give me the following details. Is the review positive or negative? Customer sentiment, problems a customer facing, what problems did my product successfully solve, and how I can improve my product. And you will be the result will surprise you, yes, because sometimes you think that you saw all these reviews, and but summaries can be different from yours. So do this exercise. It will bring you some insights for sure. Yeah, and Crystal knows it's my favorite tool. It's I think it's the best one for planning one-to-one meeting or for planning email campaign, ABM marketing, account-based marketing, and so on. It is psychographic audience analysis based on this framework. It analyzes privacy available information, your digital footprint. You just take a LinkedIn URL of the person you're interested in and put it in this tool and get all the information you need. I need to share the screen, I think. Yeah, here is mine. Yeah, Crystal knows. I will share my profile, just not to talk about other people. Yes, and here, here just people at profiles, and you enter LinkedIn URL of the person and get all the information. For example, about me. Yes, I am bold, confident, spontaneous. Here's some additional information. Here's disk mapping, yes, driver, initiator, and here you can find this what metric from disk are more confident for example, I am confident, hardworking, and so on, so on, so on. And the most interesting information is below. For example, here is my behavior or something, strengths, blind spots, for example, and so on, so on, so on. And here advices how to build trust with me, how to product demo. Yes, for example, ask her if she wants you to speed up. Yeah, I prefer to move fast, yes, and this Crystal knows knows that my colleagues should be faster than me, for example. Negotiation, yes, how to go into negotiation, pricing, how to talk about price with me, follow-ups, how to write follow-ups. Here some advices. And the main, the most interesting part for me, it's quick meeting tips. Yes, you here you can choose the type of the meeting, for example, brainstorm ideas, give feedback, negotiation, follow up, say no, and so on, so on, so on. And here, after you choose the type of the meeting, here's do's. Yes, build energy, momentum, stick to the big picture, and so on, so on, so on, and don'ts. Yes, just some things that you should avoid when go to meeting with me, for example. So and a lot of information. You should check it and test it on your colleagues and so on, just to communicate better. Yes, and to build a better relationship, and be marketing is all about building a relationship, real ones. So yeah. Oh, I have more slides. I forgot. The next part is competitor tracking. See what your competitors are doing. Prices, product, ads, reviews. AI helps you to react faster. And here's some main tools that you can use for competitor tracking. For example, SimilarWeb, Compute, Euler. For Compute is enterprise level tool, but SimilarWeb is just okay for SMBs and freelancers and so on, and you can grab from there a lot of information. And all this tool they have built inside AI automations, AI driven alerts, and so on, so on, so on, just to keep your competitors on track. And yeah, one more tool is Glimpse. I need to show it. I think Glimpse. It's One moment. Yeah, here. It's looks like Google Trends, and here you can discover trends in different industries and so on, so on. Very informative, nice UI UX, so you can use it. But the most interesting part is this knowledge base. For example, here you can find in glimpse tutorials and see that you can use this tool for SEO, content creation, market research, public relations, and so on, so on, so on. And here you just choose this industry, yes, for example, for market research, yes. And here is a tutorial how to discover emerging trends, for example. Or if we are talking about content creation, find relevant trending topics to expand into, yes. And here just short tutorials about 1 minute to maximum 2 minutes, and you will it will show you how to use this glimpse tool. It's perfect. I just have no time to go deeper in this tool, but you can do it. Okay, and that data forecasting. AI looks at past sales seasons and trends, and then it shows what people might buy next. It helps you plan better. Again, main tools for demand forecasting, for example, Tableau. Yes, it's enterprise level, amazing tool. But what we can do right now. I want to show you research by Stanford University and New York University about predicting results of social science experiments. And they proved that AI, ChatGPT, LLMs like ChatGPT, they can predict outcomes of social experiments with accurate. They are with 85% efficiency. So if you have questions, or if you have questions, or you want to just run a quick poll, yes, or just to talk with somebody about this industry, about this idea, this topic, you can use ChatGPT as this squash, yes, this game with a ball and wall, yes, just to ask question and get fast results. And 85% of these answers will be accurate. So why not to use AI just like a first level of validation, yes, just to validate your ideas and run fast. And I think it's the last slide from my side, identifying new market opportunities. Yes, AI connects the dots across data. It shows you where the gaps are, and help you to fill these gaps. Yes, for example, the main tools Crunchbase, it's AI tool with database of companies, investors, and markets and trends. Yes, or for example, Clay. I'm sure you know this tool, Clay. For sales, it's like a sales tool, but you can find here information about people, companies, find jobs, find businesses, local businesses. Yes, you can import data with about companies or people and enrich it with AI tool. For example, just yes, some kind of database with people. For example, it's my ICP. I can add enrichment, find their personal emails, not personal emails, work emails, some mobile phone, and so on, so on, so on. A lot of information you can get with this AI tool and use it in your marketing routine. So I think, sorry. I think it's all from my side. Yeah. So the main conclusion, yes, AI, it's not a magic pill. It's just a tool that will help you to move faster. But before scaling, you need to build a strong foundation, strong product and processes, and then you can scale up with AI and move faster and fail faster or not. So, yeah, that's all from me.
Thank you so much, ladies. This was extremely interesting. I don't know which tool was my favorite. I think Glimpse. Wow, like I'm so excited to like just go deep into it. But also Crystal knows, right? Like for anybody that's doing ABM marketing, for anybody who's targeting like a B2B company. So actually we did have a question about like B2B specifically. So B2B go-to-market research, like this is a really, really incredible tool because first of all, like it helps you find your target persona, and then you can also see what type of communication your target persona prefers, right? So I think that is just something that would be extremely interesting to look into. But ladies, which is your favorite which is your favorite product market fit tool that you would kind of highlight here?
Yeah, I supposed to answer this question earlier. Yeah, but well, still we could have different opinions, and the most important to find tool that suits to your type of habit, and you feel it comfortable for yourself, and I know probably not that expensive, because variety of tools that are kind like paid, they could be substituted in a given list by me. For example, like tally forms. It's a free survey tool, and also lead capturing form builder. But there are another paid alternative like Typeform. So each of the tool consider of finding the most convenient alternative for yourself. And for sure, if we start with user interviews, there are certain platforms you could do that, or you can go manually through LinkedIn, and all you need is thinking over how to craft messages, how to utilize AI for better crafting messages, getting first interviews fast, and so on. So like we could choose one or another way, or we could go through our contact list, and we don't need AI at all for that. So depends on where we are. Different platforms. Also, within our favorite tools, even though they appeared earlier than AI, like for example Notion, we really like it for systematizing information. For we can have CRM there, we can have knowledge base there, we can have everything we need in Notion, right? If we're talking about AI tools, for if we need to create a simple landing page or website or application, we can refer to no-code tools, to website builders, and Lovable or even Gamma AI, which helps with presentations. It can help to build a simple web page if it fits to your process and you like how it looks, because it's quite templated for sure. So still, well, depends on how prioritized the task is for you, but keep it simple.
Yeah.
And there are a variety of tools. You can even ask ChatGPT what tools he would recommend, and go through the list and test by yourself
Yeah.
which one suits you the best, because still, without trying, no one's experience wouldn't be beneficial for you.
And one more thing, every large task you can boil down to smaller operations. Yes, to work with text, with audio, with file, and AI makes less mistakes with a smaller task. So you can decompose your huge task on the smaller one and work with file, with audio, with I don't know, so on, so on, so on. Just that's why AI can't replace you on 100%. Yes, it can help you in 40%. Yeah, but still you need to boil down this operation and so on, so on, so on. So.
And by the way, we mentioned on the slide GPTs that are helpful with research, but they are different. They can help you with certain kind of technical tasks you need, like link building, or I know writing content for LinkedIn. There is GPT for that. So just consider the task you have, go and check by yourself and see if it works in your case. And that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think those are all incredible tips. Like you said, like going to ChatGPT and just asking for, okay, I need a tool for this, right? There's so many tools out there nowadays. They're fantastic.
How I can automate this process? Maybe not I need a tool, yes, because it will be focusing on the just tool. But if you will ask, for example, how to automate this process, AI will highlight you tools and processes, yes, that you can automate and make faster. Sorry. Just
I think it's a very good point. Prompting is important, role, context, and action. Please do use all of those when prompting. The better you prompt, the better the results will be. No, I think it's a very good point. Perfect. So yeah, 1,000 tools for 1,000 different uses. So make sure to leverage the existing AI database that really enables us to go the extra mile. And last but not least, people are saying thank you for useful info. And so thank you very much for everybody for attending today. I hope you got value out of it. If you need more advice, if you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to Natalie, Nastasia, or myself. So we will be available. And if you need the presentation as well, feel free to text us. We can send that over so that you have access to all of the tools that we talked about today. And yeah, that's all from today. Thank you so much, ladies, for joining.
Thank you so much.
yeah, for this opportunity.
Yeah.
Talk about our favorite topic.
Yeah, you're very knowledgeable. Like when we were discussing which topic to choose from, they listed about 10. So I think because we haven't talked about the go-to-market just yet, I thought that was just a very, very cool topic to kind of tackle. So thank you for all of your insightful tips. I think the viewers definitely got a lot of value. So appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye.